How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're gonna talk about how to solve your Samsung Buds is not working on the one side. Now let's say maybe your right bud or maybe the left bud is acting up. Well, this is such an annoying issue for most of us. Therefore, in this video we're gonna go ahead and give you some handful steps to solve this problem. Now, to solve this problem, the very first things that we recommend you to check is your audio balance. Now, even before you go ahead and check that out, make sure that your Samsung Buds is actually connected with your device through the wearable application. Once you're connected, simply go ahead and tap your Galaxy wearable application, then tap earbud settings. Then you're going to see this option called accessibility. Now tap on there. Now check your left and right sounds. Well, if you either see it on the right side, then your right speaker or your right buds will be working correctly, and left, however, will not be working. So if you place it in the middle, that means your both left and right buds will work completely fine. Then the next things you just want to go ahead and take a look at is the charge itself. Now if you come down here and take a look at this section, which is giving you the L for left, R for right, 100%. Now if you see your charge, let's say your left buds has a 0% charge, very likely your left bud will not be working properly. So make sure to charge them up to solve your problem. After doing that, if you're still facing the same problem, then try to update your Samsung Buds if you see any updates available. Now to update your Galaxy Buds, of course you have to open up the Galaxy wearable application, then once again tap earbud settings, and down here you're going to see this option called Earbud Software Update. Go ahead and look for the new software update. If you find it, go ahead and update it to solve your problem. Even afterward, if you're still having the same problem, let's say where one of the side is not working correctly, then last but not least things that you can do is simply can reset it and just repair it with your device to solve your problem. Now to reset it, now the first things you have to do, just open up your wearable application and then come to your earbud settings, and here you're going to see this option called reset. Go ahead and tap on there. It's going to give you this pop-up. Go ahead and tap reset, and then it's going to reset your device. Now it's going to tell you to start it again. Now simply tap start, and in a moment it's going to start your device. Simply choose your device right here and then connect it right away. After reconnecting your Samsung Galaxy Buds, hopefully the both will work completely fine. Alright guys, hope you find this video useful. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we will talk to you all soon.